Welcome to Unity Field Healing and to this first episode of Unleashing the Healer's Fire. This is the first in a series of support videos for energy and consciousness healers of all modalities. My name is Dr. John Ryan and I'm the founder of Unity Field Healing. I'm a medical doctor specializing in diagnostic radiology, but more important to this conversation, I have worked as an energy and consciousness-based healer for over 30 years. Working to support both clients and alternative healers of every kind. If you are a healer, it is certain that you faced skepticism about your work. This may come from family or friends, perhaps people on social media, people you meet in the settings where you're introducing the work, or clients who are approaching you for the first time with questions about your services. We all know energy healing has the power to transform lives. But let's be honest here, some people may approach it with a great deal of skepticism. And as healers, it's crucial for us to maintain an open mind while addressing this skepticism. In today's short video, we're going to address this common challenge we all face as energy healers. And by the end of our short time together, I'm sure you will find new footing when challenged by this issue. So how can we strike a balance? Well, let's explore some strategies. Strategy number 1, embracing your personal experience. First and foremost, trust your own experiences. Energy healing is a deeply personal journey, and your own encounters with its transformative power can help you stay open to all of its possibilities. Listen to the stories of those you've helped. You might consider developing a casebook where you make brief notes about some of your own cases and go back to review it when you find yourself doubting. Add testimonials from your work with clients in your notes. This can provide powerful evidence of the healing potential of your own personal energy work, and it will serve as a place to go when you need to remember the healing power in your work. The second thing we're going to consider is to communicate effectively. Effective communication is key when discussing energy with your skeptics. Remember to use clear, concise language that resonates with the person you're speaking to. It's always better to speak in fact-based language rather than concepts that make sense to you, but do not necessarily make sense to someone with less healing experience. We often hear the term woo-woo when you hear people speaking in this language. But it's important for us to redress that and speak in a language that people can grasp and understand. It's important for you to develop a short paragraph to introduce your work and use it as a comfortable guide to start a conversation. Tailor your explanations to a level of appropriate understanding, breaking down the complex concepts into relatable terms. Share personal anecdotes and real-life examples to make energy healing more relatable and more accessible to those whom you speak to. Number 3, stay informed. Educate yourself about energy healing and its scientific foundations. Understanding the theories and research behind energy healing can help you respond to skepticism with knowledge and confidence. Read books, attend workshops, and stay up to date with the latest scientific studies. The more you know, the better equipped you will be to address doubts or even answer very specific questions. Number 4 is to lead by example. Be a living testament to the power of energy healing. Embody the qualities you wish to inspire in others. As healers, when we radiate authenticity, compassion, positive energy, skeptics often find it harder to dismiss our work. By demonstrating your healing techniques and inviting others to experience it firsthand, you're offering a direct experience that can be much more convincing than words alone because it's authentic and it's real. Number 5, develop community. Just imagine the possibilities when healers come together, sharing insights and breakthroughs. Through group discussions, workshops, social media groups, and online forums, We can all deepen our knowledge and expand our skills, and explore innovative approaches to energy healing. We can also find the support to stay true and aligned to our path of healing. Together, we can make a greater impact in transforming lives. By fostering a sense of community, we can uplift and empower one another on our healing journeys. We certainly welcome you to the World of Unity Field Healing, a family now of over 500 certified practitioners around the world. As we close our time here today, I just want to address the concept of balancing skepticism and openness, and understanding that this is an ongoing journey. Remember, it's certainly okay to have doubts and questions yourself, but the key is to approach them with curiosity and a willingness to learn and grow. Thank you for joining us here today. At Unity Field Healing, we believe in the transformative power of energy healing, and we support you in your journey. I invite you personally to embark upon this beautiful journey with all of us. Drop a comment about strategies that you may use in your work that would be helpful to other healers, or perhaps make suggestions about topics that you would like us to address in these upcoming videos. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel, or sign up for our mailing list for ongoing information and to stay informed. And stay tuned. There'll be many more insightful videos on energy healing, where we address various challenges faced by healers like you and me. Together, let's promote unity and healing in our world. Namaste. Until next time, stay well.